Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and I'm back with another hair review. If you've been looking for an everyday wig that is extremely low maintenance, I think I found one for you. So if you want to hear more about this unit, keep watching. This hair is brought to you by Luhair.com. The hair comes in this beautiful box. And in the box you'll receive a wig cap, an elastic band, as well as a comb/pick. The hair comes in this beautiful satin bag. This is a 360 full lace wig. There is an elastic band in the back as well as a comb, 2 combs on the side, and a comb in the front. This is their curly hair texture. However, it's more of a loose wave. That's perfect for if you want to just wet it and go. It doesn't require much styling at all. And since this is a 360 unit, you can wear it up in a ponytail. Be sure to watch till the end of the video. I will show you how that looks while on. I decided to bleach the knots on this unit so that it has more of a natural look. So I am removing that comb in the front so it will allow me to have a larger parting space. If you're not familiar on how to bleach the knots, I do have a dedicated tutorial that shows all the things you need to do to customize and slay your unit. I will be sure to have those videos listed in the description box down below. Okay dolls, I went ahead and I conditioned this unit as well as bleached the knots. And I also went ahead and applied my ball cap. This is a little lazy man ball cap. It's not my best, but it'll do. I actually feel like Alicia Ashley with this ball cap because it looks kind of like I got a blonde haircut. But anyway guys, if you don't know how to do the ball cap method, don't worry, I'll link that video at the end of this video. So now I'm ready to apply the unit. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. Now this is a 360 unit, so that means you have to cut the lace off from the back as well as the front. My recommendation when cutting the lace is to cut it as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair. I try to cut it so that you guys can see it, and I think I cut a little bit of the hair off in some parts, but it'll be all right. All right, now I'm gonna try the unit on. And it looks pretty good at first glance. I do wish for this to be a little more snug on my head, so I'm going to adjust the elastic bands in the back of the unit. They're actually going to share the same slot. And now this is as tight as this unit will get without me adding my own elastic band, which I will probably do later as well. And if you want information on how to do that, I'll be sure to link that video in the description box down below. And lastly, I'm going to just take some of my powder. So I'm going to use this Fit Me powder by Maybelline. You can get this at your local drugstore. And I'm going to rub it on a little brush and just apply it to the inside of the wig and around the edges mainly. If you apply it around the edges, that kind of helps it blends into your skin, and that will be a remedy if you don't tint the lace, which I typically like to tint the lace because I don't like to have to do this every time that I apply my wig. And of course I got a video for that as well. I'll have that in the description box down below. Don't worry guys, I got you covered. This is a one-stop shop channel. I got everything you need to know to slay your wig. So And now I'm ready to apply the unit. And I want to just line it up with the hairline on the end. And I'm going to use my comb. Now guys, y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna tie this down with my scarf for about 10 minutes and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna just lay a few baby hairs. I didn't pluck the hairline. This is what it looks like. And I've added some baby hair. And as I mentioned, this is a 360 unit, so you can wear this up in a ponytail. There is a comb in the back, so you just wanna take that comb and push it underneath the cap to secure it. And then you can wear it up in a ponytail. And I'll show you what that looks like. And this is what it would look like up in a ponytail. You could just throw this in a ponytail if you feel like it. I think this is a perfect everyday unit. If you're a person like me who goes to the gym, sometimes you want to pull your hair up, you can. If you're lazy like me, you can just take and wet your hair and you don't have to worry about styling it, because it creates a style in itself when it gives you these beautiful waves that you see here. And this is what it looks like. This is a 24-inch unit and it comes down to about my waist. So dolls, I decided to pluck this hairline a little bit more and to sew on an elastic band so that you could get an idea of what my units typically look like on a day-to-day basis when I'm not securing it with Gus to be glue. So as you can see, it does give a more natural look. And if I wanted to put this in a ponytail, it will look a lot more natural as well. So dolls, this is how I would normally wear my hair in an everyday day-to-day basis. I don't typically gel or glue my hair down. I simply attach the elastic bands to all of my units, and I use the combs and the wigs. If you don't know how to attach an elastic band, I'll have that video linked in the description box down below. Also, as you may notice that I did pluck this hairline significantly more since the original video. This is how much hair I took out from the hairline. That's a significant amount of hair. So dolls, I really need you guys to get comfortable with plucking your hairlines. It does make a difference, and it makes your unit look a lot more natural. Don't be afraid to pluck your hairline. As long as you are parting and you're not plucking in the same space, you will be fine. If you haven't watched my how to customize a wig video, be sure to watch that. I'll have that linked right up top. I think it's up here. Linked right up top for you to watch it. And remember, part, pluck, move your hand. Part, pluck, move your hand. Try it on. See where you need to make adjustments and do it again until you have the desired look. But I do want everyone who watches my videos to become comfortable with plucking your hairlines, because that's the main thing that makes the difference between your wig looking extremely natural and it looking wiggish. So dolls, as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And I did choose a name for the comments left on my pumpkin spice hair tutorial, and I'll have the chosen comment listed right here, as well as the person who provided the name. So dolls, I need your help in naming this unit. What are we gonna name her? Go ahead and leave your comments down in the comment section down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You know I'm always here to help you guys. And as always, guys, important, you guys stay blessed And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.